we'll guide you through how to convert an Inkscape PNG to a vector format. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your computer and load the PNG file you want to convert by going to the File menu and selecting Open. Once your PNG is open in Inkscape, you need to trace it to turn it into a vector. Click on the image to select it, then go to the Path menu at the top and choose Trace Bitmap. This will open the Trace Bitmap window. In this window, you'll see a few different options for tracing your image. The most common choice is the brightness cutoff, which works well for simple images. You can adjust the threshold slider to fine-tune how much of the image gets traced. If your image has multiple colors, consider using the colors option and adjust the scan setting to match the number of colors in your image. Once you've made your choices, click OK to trace the image. You'll see a new vector version of your image appear on top of the original PNG. You can move it aside to compare the two to ensure you're working with the vector version. Click on it and then go to the Object menu and select Ungroup. This breaks the traced image into individual vector paths, which you can edit separately if needed. When you're satisfied with your vector, it's time to save it. Go to File, then Save As, and choose a vector format like SVG or PDF from the drop-down menu. Make sure to give your file a new name to differentiate it from the original PNG. Click Save and your vector file is ready to use. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.